Where do we fit in a world where AI handles tasks we once did? I think the answer lies in not what AI replaces, but what it enables. AI is reshaping industries, it is disrupting roles and creating new ones. But let's not panic. Historically, every major leap in technology comes with a plateau, a phase where new problem arises and where smart humans must solve them. And this is where you and your expertise comes in. Here are a few examples. Project manager working for AI startup. Her job, coordinating data teams to train customer service bot. It might not be her dream job, but her understanding of customer behavior and organizational skills ensures that AI doesn't just answer questions, but it empathizes. So she's not replaced by AI, she's shaping it, meaning that yours and my skills are not obsolete, they are evolving. Or a graphic designer. He collaborates with developers to refine AI-generated ad design for e-commerce company. The AI drafts visuals, but he ensures that those visuals connect with emotions and the audiences. Without his insights, these ads would miss the mark. Think about Adobe's tools. If they're not empowering creatives, who are going to sell their products to? I think that businesses will not shoot themselves in the leg. Everybody is driven by profits. And if Adobe creates completely automated system, who is going to use it? We know that AI trained exclusively on synthetic data will eventually collapse. This is called model collapse, and at the moment of this video, it is still not resolved as a technical problem in training AIs. So over time, the output of model that is trained on synthetic data will decline in quality until it almost becomes completely not usable. So then there are different experts like instructional designer or ordinary designer that can help these startups deploy AI-powered solutions. For example, what we can have is me as an instructional designer writing additional content, writing like human writing scripts and everything that we need in order for AI to continue learning. Or on the other side, I might be helping some AI startup to create an AI-powered learning platform, a ChatGPT-like experience that is going to be adaptive in terms of adaptive learning based on what are the learner needs. And in order for us to make that, a programmer might know technically how to write all the prompts and what are the good prompt making techniques. But on the other side, that developer doesn't know all the intricacies of how people learn, and there me as an instructional designer can help him out in creating prompts that make sense from the learner perspective. So without instructional designer, for example, this tool would not be able to achieve its goal. And your expertise can bridge this gap between technical innovation and user success in the end. Why AI can't replace all work? Well, because businesses don't want automation. They want solutions to specific problems. And solutions, as well as the problems, come from the people. So fully automated systems may reduce the cost, but they are not sustainable without people driving outcomes and needs. So I believe that the future of work is not as grim as we might think. I believe it is a new chapter. By staying adaptable, we can thrive in the roles that didn't exist a decade before, and that will change in the years to come. So let's embrace this as an opportunity to shape the world where AI and experts go hand by hand. And in the end, I would like to hear, what is your future AI story? Share an example about how your field is adapting to AI, and let's inspire each other to embrace this evolution. Bye.